Why are you making videos talking about another girl? You must really miss your old girlfriend. You should go be with her.
Are you ready to talk about love, passion, sensuality? Why'd the music stop? Okay, beautiful people, welcome. Welcome to a new series. I'm officially calling it Gregory's Stories on Love, Relationships, and Heartbreak. In this series of videos, basically, I'm going to open my heart and share with you all some very personal stories about my relationships, or you can say interactions with women. An interaction is just a connection. It's just a connection. So it can either be really good or really bad. I have some good interactions and I have some bad interactions. But actually, right now in this moment on October 26th around 4 p.m., me, Gregory Scott, I am single. To be single means that I don't have a wife, I'm not married, I don't have a girlfriend, and I really don't have anybody that I'm talking to. We have a saying. We have a phrase that we say in the US. You can say, I am as single as a Pringle. I'm as single as a Pringle. That means that basically, I'm not talking, I'm not going on any dates or anything with anybody. A Pringle is just a chip. It's a brand of potato chips. So it doesn't really make sense, but that's what we say, single as a Pringle. It's just funny and it rhymes. You know what a rhyme is, right? A rhyme? Well, if you look at me, I'm not white. And one thing about me is I like to fight. That's a rhyme. And it's not night. And I might bite. That's a rhyme. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm single right now. Single as a Pringle, which is good because that means I can talk about anything. If I had a girlfriend and I started making videos about another girl, can you imagine? If I had a girlfriend and I started making videos about my past relationships or making videos about other girls, can you imagine how that would go?
Why are you making videos talking about another girl? You must really miss your old girlfriend. You should go be with her. Yeah? Does she make you happier than I do?
If I had a girlfriend, that's all that I would hear. But I don't. I'm single as a Pringle, so I can talk about whatever I want. Maybe that can change. Maybe in 1 month or 2 months or 5 months, maybe I'll have a girlfriend. But right now, I don't, so nobody can get mad at me. And my future girlfriend, well, you weren't my girlfriend when I made these videos, so you can't get mad at me. Anyways, so in this video, I just wanted to talk about what this series will be like. And then in the next video, we'll have the first story. But what can you expect in these videos? What are you going to be learning and watching? Because that's important, right? You're here to get comprehensible input and learn. So, number 1, you'll learn lots of vocabulary around dating, around relationships, around love, girlfriends, boyfriends, all of these things. All this vocabulary you'll hear. Also, you might hear a lot of English slang. Slang is an informal way of speaking. So there's formal and then there's informal. The formal name for this thing is marijuana. marijuana is the official formal name. But in slang terms, you would say weed or grass or gas. That's slang. So you'll learn lots of good comprehensible input. You'll hear some slang. And then there's one more thing that I want to tell you. This is important. I, Gregory Scott, I respect women, okay? I'm not just a complete savage. So I'm not gonna be here and telling you about, oh, I had sex with this woman and oh, I was cheating on this girl, then I had 3 girlfriends at this time. No, okay? I am not a savage. I believe that some things are good to talk about, but some things, they should remain private, okay? They should remain private and you shouldn't just tell the whole world about them, okay? That's what I believe. For various reasons, okay? So that's my style. I don't believe in treating women like objects, just for your or just for my entertainment. But I do believe that I have some interesting stories. I do have some interesting stories. And again, I'm just going to pour my heart out. I'm just going to talk about my personal life, and I hope that you enjoy it. So stay tuned for the next video. Keep watching, keep listening, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.